Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I'm going to do a pour on, this is a 12 by 36 inch canvas. I'm going to do some little bit of smearing, and once I'm all done with the painting, after it's dried, I want to put this in the middle and do some embellishments with some crystals that I have. So I want a lot of nice movement through here and hopefully some good sales. I'm gonna do some different colors. I'm using, well, this one's not different. Decoart's metallic 24 karat gold. I'm using Folkart's Color Shift Blue Flash. And man oh man, is it cool. I don't know if you can see this or not, but you can just see the blues and greens in there. It's so pretty. A little bit of like a purplish color. So pretty. I'm really excited about that one. I'm using Decoart's metallic pink Tourmaline. Folkart's metallic ice blue. I also have this is Arteza's Pearl Royal Purple. I have a little bit of this left, so I thought I would add that in there. And then my shmearing color will be white. It's going to be Amsterdam's titanium white. All my paints are mixed with Floetrol water and Liquitex gloss pouring medium. My base, I'm using a white house paint. So let's see. Hopefully I have enough in here. Tweezers. A little piece of paint fell off. I do appreciate everybody watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and you would like and subscribe and all that fun jazz, and share. Help me grow my channel. I would appreciate it so much. I appreciate every one of my subscribers. I'm so excited. I'm a little over 300 now. And I'm so grateful. I get so excited just when I go up like 2 subscribers. My kids are always laughing at me. Alright, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little bit here and there, and then just a little bit here and there, as I use a lot. These colors are so pretty. And the ice blue. And a little bit of gold. I don't really need a whole lot of gold. I just want some so I can get some cool cells. As I put down a whole lot. Look at how pretty that is. These colors are gorgeous. Oh, I wish you could see closer. Hopefully when I bring you down for a close-up, you'll be able to see how pretty that color shift color is. I apologize for my scratchy voice. I still have a cold hanging on. I do apologize. Oh, look at them cells. Oh my goodness. I don't want to get it muddy. That gets a little bit of color there. Alright, so now I'm going to do a little bit of tilting. Love this. Not so much. So I think I'm going to kind of go here a little bit and hopefully not lose too much yet. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of paint on here though. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love everything except for down here. And I think I'm gonna put, and this is kind of wonky here too, but everything else I love. But I want to do a little more here, so I'm gonna put some paint down. Much purple left. much paint left. We're getting kind of, this is just kind of wonky here. I don't know about it. And I don't have no purple left in there. Gonna take my little palette knife here with a little bit of white on it and kind of go through here a little bit. Break that white up. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Look at all these pretty cells. It's lacy and it's gorgeous. This is so soft right here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So excited. I think I do need to put a little bit more of my white paint down here in this corner. Didn't really go over there. I'm too scared to, and this is all dry here too. I think I got a little bit left in here. I'm sure I have plenty of paint to tip it off, but I'm kind of nervous to do that. Like, I don't want to. Oh, so pretty. Whew, so excited. Just gotta fix a couple little spots here where nothing really ran over. Pretty. Couple little spots right there. Ah, so pretty, so pretty, so pretty. All right, I'm gonna bring you down so you can get a close up. Sorry, I'm just turning my light sides off here. Just look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. All those pretty colors in there. I don't know if I can put that stencil on top of this. It's too pretty. Oh my gosh. I don't know. Part of me wants to do a little shimmer right here. I may do that once I turn the camera off, since I already have the camera down, but see, like these sides here, like this needs to be fixed because this is dry. So I'll have to take my scoop up some paint there and put it down there so it comes over. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Look at it, just so pretty. See how soft this looks? Oh, but yet there's some amazing cells in there. Just gorgeous. And would you look at all that shimmer? I don't know if you can see the colors shift so much. Let's see. A little bit there. Oh, there you can see it. Sorry, that light bulb there. It's so pretty. Well, thanks everybody for watching. I hope everybody is being healthy and safe. If I do mess with this down here, I'll definitely take a picture or a little video at the end here and show you what I did. But I definitely think I want to just add a little bit of shimmer there with my small palette knife. Like, I like this colors being thick, you know, just having some good space like that. But I feel like this is just kind of really big compared to just the lines everywhere else. So we'll see. But I do thank you guys for watching. Yeah. Hopefully you will like and subscribe and share and all that fun jazz. Oh, look at it. But have a good day. Have a good evening, everybody. Keep being creative. Bye. Hey everybody, I just wanted to take a little quick video. I did kind of do a little messing around here through that space, and I got some really nice, I just used the small palette knife to do some smearing. I really like it. And then I ended up doing it over here, right here. Just a little bit, but I really love it. I really, really like it. It looks awesome. Colors are beautiful. So much shimmer. But I hope you enjoyed the video. I just wanted to take a quick little video here to show you what I did do different. I do like that a lot better there with that. I just kind of broke that up a little bit because that spot was kind of big compared to the other spots of solid color. So, yeah. But thanks for watching, everybody. Keep being creative. Bye.